How to apply for an ANZ credit card online. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for an ANZ credit card online. To do so, first of all, you will need to go to the official website of ANZ. Open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in anz.com. Now press and enter to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to this official website. Once you reach to this page, here at the bottom, you will be able to see different link headings. Click on this credit card link and then you'll be redirected to a new page. Now in this page, either you can click on this find a card to suit you, or you may also click on compare and apply option at the top. Once you click on it, now here you can choose your preferred card. Once after selecting these features, you can scroll down and find the card that suits you. Once you get it, you will need to scroll a bit down and then at the bottom, you'll be able to see apply now. Click on this apply now for your chosen card and then you will be taken to a new page again. Here you will be prompted to answer this. Click on the next button once selected and after that, here scroll down. At the bottom you will be able to see continue option. Click on this continue to start your application. By doing so, you will be taken to this page. After that, here you will need to scroll down. Here select yes button to state that you have already banked with ANZ. Here if you are using ANZ internet banking application, you can select yes button. If not, you can select the no option. After that, scroll a bit down and click on this continue button. By doing so, now here you will need to fill in this required information along with your personal details and financial information. Select the title, gender, enter your first name in this text box, enter your date of birth and add your email address. Once after entering the email, click on this box and enter your phone number. After that, you can click on this next button right here. After that, here select your relationship status and dependence. Likewise, you will need to follow the prompts given here. Simply select the option and then click on the next button. After that, in this page, here you will need to select the option based on the question presented here and then here you will need to enter the verbal security code. After that, click on this next button and then you will need to enter all the informations correctly and finally you will be able to apply for ANZ credit card online. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.